Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I've got a must-watch tutorial for you. We're delving into the world of iPhone privacy and I'll be showing you an essential trick, how to lock your WhatsApp on your iPhone. It's a game changer for keeping your personal space secure. So if you've ever worried about someone getting a little too curious when your phone is left unattended, this one's for you. Let's not waste any time and jump right into the steps. First things first, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, you can download it from the App Store. Now tap the plus button in the top right corner to create a new automation. Scroll down and select App as the trigger for your automation. Here tap Choose and select WhatsApp as the app that will trigger the automation. Also make it run immediately. Next, let's add the action that will lock your screen. Here tap on New Blank Automation. Now on Add Action, search for Lock Screen and select Lock Screen from the results. Now it's time to test our automation. Tap Next and then Done to save your automation. If the lock screen appears when you open WhatsApp, you're good to go. And there you have it. You've just set up a shortcut that automatically locks your Instagram app whenever you open it. This simple automation adds an extra layer of privacy to your iPhone. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.